Hi guys, Attila from the Third Cut. So this is a really quick one about when you have an external corner between two walls of different colours. So you've got that sort of lighter colour, and I'm just doing the sort of blue. And the only way to get a nice and tidy finish in the corner is if you're going to cut it in with a brush. Right, don't even try to sort of just roll it. Even if you're using a short nap roller, it is going to bleed over to the previous wall that you already painted. So you can roll the first wall, whichever you're doing first. I did the white one first. So roll that first, and then you know, when you're doing the other one, then you don't roll it. Don't roll the corner, but use a paintbrush to cut it in, and that way you can get a much tidier finish. Right, okay, I hope this is helpful. Have a good day. Bye.